Well, you wanted White Christmas. You getting ready to fire up the grill?
What?
You getting ready to fire up the grill?
Now, we may have people coming over. They can get out. If they can't, then nope. She's making pasta.
Boy, we wanted a White Christmas. We got it.
Yeah, I sent the picture down to my brother and sister-in-law down in Florida and said, Merry Christmas from Ohio. They said, you can keep that snow.
Yeah. Well, it's freezing in Florida.
Yeah, 32 degrees, yeah. It was 80 yesterday, though.
Oh, God. Okay, we got the old Instapot for Christmas. And I'm going to make some pork chops in that. Right now, I'm going to make some onion soup for, like, stock. Okay, what we got here is our Instant Pot. Got this for Christmas. It's going to be the first thing we tried in it. So I'm going to saute some pork chops down there and some olive oil. Once it heats up, got this for Christmas. We've been wanting one, and we got one. I'll tell you what, these suckers heat up quick, so what we're going to do, we're going to brown these pork chops in here for about a minute on either side. It's amazing how fast that the Instant Pot heats up. It really is incredible. Get my measuring cup out here. Okay, those are kind of browned. I'm going to take them out, set to the side. Man, that's quick. And I'm going to dump in my mushrooms and onions because this is going to be kind of a mushroom onion gravy thing. Saute this. Saute. Drizzle more oil. And there's a thing that says, everything I've watched, that you have to deglaze the bottom of the pan after you saute, or you will get a burn warning from the Instant Pot. Now today being Christmas Day, I could not go shopping because we are snowed in literally. So I just had to use up what I had left of the mushrooms and some onions. Didn't have any peppers, so well, there won't be no pepper, but that's okay. Get these browned up. I know I got some dead air not talking there. Trying to brown this up good. Man, it's just amazing how fast this thing heats up. Literally amazing. And you can use it for, I don't know what you know about Instant Pots. We've never had one. We've wanted one because everybody talks about it. But you can literally do everything in it. I mean, you can even use it to sterilize, which is kind of neat. Okay, those look pretty browned up. Now I'm going to dump in 1 cup. Is it 1 cup? About 1 cup of onion soup mix. I'm actually going to add a little more. And I'm going to turn it off. Scoop out some of that stuff from the bottom of the onion soup. Okay. And it says to deglaze, so. Keep getting more and more onion soup in here. Okay. Let's set the pork chops in. Here's the tricky part. Put on the lid and you get that click. Okay, so here we go. Pressure cook 8 minutes. And it'll take that a little time to start. It has to heat up. Oh, it's on. Okay. Then once it's heated up, it'll start its countdown. Okay, the Instapot has beeped. And you do a pressure release. Everything is hot. But it says for meat to naturally let it release. So that button right there, when that silver button right there drops, and that's going to take several minutes. Linda's doing the mashed potatoes. Mash them taters. Tater masher. We don't have a lot of room in our kitchen. Too many cooks. Is that the twist and shout or the do the mashed potato? Okay, we're doing a steam release here. There you go. Okay, it dropped. So now we can safely open it up. I hope. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to get these out. Pork chops out. Put them aside for a minute. Put this on saute again. Stir this up a little bit. And I got some heavy cream and cornstarch. Hopefully we'll thicken this up a little bit. Oh my. Do that one more time. Dissolve that cornstarch. Stir that up a little. Put those back in. Add a little more cornstarch. Set this to keep warm. Lid back on for a minute. We're going to pressure cook for another 2 minutes. See, that's it. We've pressure cooked. I'm going to turn it off. Hit the release. Smells good. I'll even unplug it. Oh boy. Okay, the valve dropped. Gently open her up. Oh yeah. these out. There's the pork chops. The gravy's not the thickest, but it's gonna be good. There it is. And it's still snowing. It doesn't look any better in the dark than it does in the daylight. Oh, jeez. Get your car out of the road, hillbilly.